Welcome viewers, I wish you all the best. Today I have brought an important video among you. Today we will talk about how to open a YouTube band channel. You may not know that a good amount of money can be made from YouTube every month if you can take it seriously. So we will not delay and start the main video. Those who have not yet subscribed to our channel must subscribe to the channel below before starting the main video. Welcome back viewers. We will first specify a tab from any one browser from our device. On the tab, I will keep the login of the email with which I will open YouTube. I also have an email login in the name of another person. Then we will search on Google, type YouTube and enter YouTube. If you look in the corner, you will see that there's an inscription called sign. Clicking here will log in the email. After our email login to YouTube and click create account, we will select whether we will open a personal account or open a brand channel. From there we will select the brand channel and use a different name. You can select the name of the channel of the brand of your choice. I am selecting a name, for example. Right now we have a brand channel on YouTube and you can customize it from here. About customization, but I will upload another video to my channel so I can see from there, but you can customize your YouTube channel. I will show you in a very beautiful way in that video how you can create a logo and background image of your brand channel. So viewers, you guys who watch the video can't make a logo and background. I will make a logo and a background banner for them manually. Of course in the comment box of my video, but let me know.